Trouble with Windows Installer Package on Windows 11? Let's quickly fix it together, focusing on solutions and easy steps. First things first, let's open the Registry editor. You can do this by searching for it in the Windows search bar. Once you've found it, make sure to right-click on Registry Editor and select Run as Administrator from the menu. If prompted, click Yes to confirm and open the Registry Editor with administrative privileges. Now, in the Registry Editor, you'll see a list of folders on the left. We need to navigate to a specific location. Double-click on HKey_classes_root to expand its contents. Scroll down and find MSI package. Double-click on it to expand further. Next, we're going to make some changes to the shell folder. Right-click on Shell and select New, then click on Key. Type Runas as the name for the new key and hit Enter. Now, let's set a value for the Runas key. Double-click on Default and type Install as Administrator. Click OK to save the changes. Next, let's create another key. Right-click on Runas, select New, and click on Key again. This time, type Command as the name for the new key and hit Enter. Now, let's set a value for the Command key. Double-click on a default and type msexx/i%1. Click OK to save the changes. And that's it for the Registry Editor. We've made the necessary adjustments to fix the issue. To wrap things up, let's restart your PC. Simply right-click on the Windows Start button and select Restart from the menu. And there you have it! You've successfully fixed the issue by making some changes in the Registry Editor. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching.